bring you an update from IMO prison break. Yes, and this one they come from governor of IMO State. We been done the way made this man come outside contact because no, the thing happened for IMO. So if you no come outside contact, that be say they pursue from the village where people don't be smart. And according to this man, he don't tell us say over 80 people will run from prison as the things scatter. They don't come back. For now we no federal government be make arrangement and their decision be say anybody will run from prison will decide to come back say they go forgive us. So now Imo State governor don't come tell us say over 80 don't come back. So I beg, I want me to listen to this man by on herself because he told many things. He even had say IPOB. For now, we don't know what it mean now. In the indigenous people of Biafra, he said they no be part of the cause of this wahala. So I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
What happened in Imo State last Monday is unbelievable. A group of hoodlums, of course sponsored by some known politicians in Imo State, decided to destroy public infrastructure and government facilities, and attacked the correctional center facilities and also attacked the police state headquarters, put so many vehicles ablaze, broke the correctional facilities open, and the inmates escaped. However, as at this afternoon, over 80 of these inmates have returned back to the facility.
Una know una selves. No, they know themselves because see, I not just want start the point fingers. This thing they very clear. As I say like this, if una ask me, this thing has nothing to do with ESN, IPOB, and no, just anyone when I want mention name am. They can never partake inside this kind of thing. Very important. So I know how anybody come outside and come they deceive because this thing don't bring plenty arguments. Some people say na IPOB, some people say na ESN, some people, everybody just they point finger at different people. This IPOB and ESN, when we they talk about one are they accused, they have made their goal known to us. They know they inside all this one that they bring now, no mixed issue. This thing one I just see like this is a political strategy. As simple as ABCD, political strategy. No be the same strategy when they use for answers. No person talk, no be the same. No, what be the difference between this one and the one we happen for answers? They know what they do. See, I come outside, and some of them they destroy the government facility. They did this one. I don't understand who is it my consignment. See, how they mention government facility now. Person hear you now. Hey, they go to say now one kind fine place, like one kind fine police station. See on a police station. See what they call government facility, like you are proud of it. The place same we even look see, even if I get animals, I don't fit put my animals where they stay for that place. You they call a government facility. We not too like English. Now English go so kill now. That place will be like jungle. See, I bet my people make una listen very well. These people every day now so they go come outside. They talk as this man come out. I be they think say they can't give us one. I not just don't understand. They say no be police. They say no be government. He say this is not a political attack. Say no be politicians they sponsor this one. Say he know the people where they behind that. And that one we they wait for. Me I no fit wait, bros. As you say you have people that are behind this thing. I bet bring them outside. You say people over 80 people don't return to the prison. Hey, Ironian. Why these people sabi lie like this? Over 80 people return to prison. No, I beg you, me I like they very realistic. Wait, people run from prison, they return back. Which prison? First question. You know say if you dey outside and you dey prison, you go even dey hungry you to stay, you no go wan go. Nigeria prison where I know. No, except say no be Nigeria we dey talk about. Which prison and where are the people? The period where they carry all those girls, when they kidnap them, when they return those girls, they do video. So how come they not show us picture or video of this so-called inmates where don't return? That is one are they wise. No, show us picture. We want to see the people that according to you people have returned back. Ngwanu, may we see them. Except say I don't decrease, so maybe I don't decrease. I not just understand. For this Nigeria, see, no matter how the country hard, they no go come back. They no go come back. You know how these people they suffer. Some of them have no roof over their head for that prison where they did. Some of them, which kind of food they chop? Now they tell me because of forgiveness. No, which forgiveness you want forgive? Show us. We need proof. We need proof. As the same way when I come outside, tell us say we need proof or picture or video. How body they promise say dollar go reduce. I be this one. Wait till now. We need proof to show us that these prisoners return back. Make una continue to the light to una children, no be us. I don't understand. That is how be una mate. See me. My people, I say I go bring a corner aside because this one is too heavy for my mouth to carry. You understand? He say over 80. I say I go bring her. So anything where you guys talk concerning this one, why not if not? I better drop off for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video for our fellow Nigerians where know they are aware of the whole situation. I better let them know say over 80 people don't return back to prison. No problem. I beg. If you never subscribe, wait till the wait for just click on that notification bell so that you don't go miss anything when we get here for now. Stay tuned for our next story. IMO prison break. Chai! When I like the name, the thing just remind me of a prison break. How many of you now watch that series? That thing when I watch for that series, it don't happen for Nigeria. We get actors for this our country, don't be smart. And this one happened during the inspection of the center. When he come outside, when they talk about the whole matter, name na Arek Besola. He come outside, come tell us say escape. To escape is unlawful. Say they against the law. And if you are part of those people who run away, listen, into say if those people who run away, if they return back willingly. He say he go forgive them. He say he go forgive them. I beg. For now, I don't know how many people we even they talk about. I know they talk about 5 prisoners who run away. 1,880,000. 1,880 people now run away. And they don't say everywhere been they come before you know them. Now so they just gunmen enter, start the attack. If you not see fire, I mean for now we never see IMO prison before. How the place look like, and I don't know how it be now after the attack. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
You are here to get information from us about what has just happened. I just want to put it across to you that there was an attack at the World Cultural Center very early this morning around 2:15 a.m. So you can see the extent of the damage so far. You can see our burnt vehicles and things affected the building. However, I want to assure you people that at the appropriate time, when we get our facts together, we'll be able to address you on this issue. So please always keep in touch. We'll brief you at the appropriate time. No, we are yet to confirm exactly what happened. But like I said, at the appropriate time, we must have gotten all the information ready. We will address you all.
But you should be able to identify that person. Is it an official or an inmate?
As I've just said it, I will address that issue at the appropriate time. Let us.
Okay,
the whole
sir.
thing is still sketchy.
So are the inmates intact or are there some that are missing?
I said I will address people at the appropriate time on all these issues.
Arise, O compatriots. I see. I not just the laugh part. We don't know why they laugh. I know they laugh for any in case person die or person injure. I know they laugh for that one. Why they laugh at the statement with federal government that don't bring? Say if you return yourself willingly, they go forgive you. I don't understand. What is the need of coming back? No, I just they ask. What be the need of coming back? since una wan grant them amnesty, una you will forgive them. So there's no need for them to come back because you've already forgiven them. It just be like how I put her now. Imagine MTN tell you you borrow MTN 1,000, 1,000 naira. Let's say 10 CDs for now we be Ghanaians. You borrow MTN 10 CDs or 1,000. Then 10 to pay back now. You know if you pay back. Ngwanu MTN can tell you say okay buy 950 naira credits. That's 9 CDs, 50 pesos credit. Then win a car. You go gree. You dey owe them 1,000. They come tell you say buy credit 950. Then you go win car. No be their money they collect. You no go even see any car. Now the same thing wey these people they try do. Person run from prison. They tell us say if you come back you go forgive her. What is the need of coming back if you already they forgive her? Very unserious and incompetent leaders. Now we get for this country. Just like that. Just like that, they attack prisons. Una know all this attack. I don't know, una they say normal. Just in 2 months. You know how many attacks don't happen? And we get leaders. 2 good months. The first one will happen February 5th this year. What they talk about everything what they talk about now this year. February 5th, Obo police station where they go attack and two policemen even die. February 25th, this same February 25th, this same year. Another one happened again for Abombisi police station. Another attack. This same year, March 9th, this. See, many things happen, my people. Ituboma. I don't know whether they pronounce it well, but not be my side. That one, another police station still happen. 20th of March. You see Alabano police station, another attack. Now, IMO. This one, April just started. We never even reach half of April. No, to say okay, the month just starts. If headquarter, fit get this kind of attack, wetin remain? No, wetin remain? Headquarters get this kind of attack. Army base get this kind of attack. The next one now, maybe it go be Aso Rock or government houses. Now there they go. And our beloved, almighty, wetin I go call her? But me una give me titles. Our president, he dey obodo ibo dey relax himself. The country is falling apart. The country is dividing into 10. Our president, they outside, they command, may they appoint new IGP. As if that is the problem. As if that one is the solution. How many IGPs will never change for this country? Wetin don't change? They there, they enjoy. People they here, they think of solution. Wow. The one who even shock me for this matter, I don't go understand. They say police people even run. As police people see gunmen as they start to shoot, they say police run. They japa. What a shame. What a shame. A whole police. Creative be una duty. No, na me carry una go put for that place where una become police. When una they take the oath, say una ready to die for this country. Wetin happen to that oath? What happened to the promise you people made to Nigeria? Una see run men, una run. But if na unarmed citizen wey no carry any weapon, una get liver, una get morale to stand, they harass them. Una mate come now, una mate. Same go on na the holo, na the same thing they hold, but una run. Thunder go soon fire devil. Make una continue. My people, no be small matter. Una see am. As the whole place all burn, if everybody don't run, they say. Because if you don't say you be prisoner, when you run from this particular prison where they talk about and they hear my voice, I bet now the message they say make I deliver. I'm not there here to tell you whether make you go back or make you stay. I beg. I just call deliver. I am just a messenger. You understand? So I beg now the matter be this. If you know anybody who been there your streets, maybe now your neighbor self, I beg, give her this video. Tell her say they wait for her, say they go forgive her. However, people that the matter with this, so start to drop the comment for that comment section, and don't forget, very, very important, share this video, make everybody know what they happen right now. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, wait till they wait for. And you wonder how you want to miss this kind of matter. Just click on that to understand. No go kill you, no go do anything. Meanwhile, stay tuned for our next story.